Why do you remember Nike but forget every other shoe brand you have ever seen? In the next 2 minutes, you will understand exactly what makes a brand stick in someone's brain forever and how you can use the same tricks for any business. Let's go. Think of a brand like a person at a party. Some people walk in, blend into the wall, and you forget them by morning. Others walk in and you remember them for years. Same room, same party. Totally different result. The difference is not luck, it is strategy. Here is the key insight. Unforgettable brands do 4 things that forgettable brands completely ignore. Step 1. They own a feeling, not just a product. Nike does not sell shoes. Nike sells the feeling of pushing past your limits. Apple does not sell computers. Apple sells the feeling of being creative and different. Ask yourself, what emotion does my brand give people? That feeling is your real product. Step 2. They are visually consistent everywhere. Imagine your favorite coffee shop suddenly changed its logo, colors, and fonts every single week. Confusing, right? Unforgettable brands look the same on Instagram, on their website, on their packaging, everywhere. Your brain starts to recognize them like a familiar face. Consistency builds trust faster than any ad ever could. Step 3. They have a voice that sounds human. Brands that sound like a corporate robot reading a legal document, nobody remembers those. Brands that sound like a real person talking to you, those you remember. Wendy's sassy Twitter replies made them more memorable than millions in advertising. True story. Step 4. They repeat their core message until it becomes automatic. Here is the aha moment. Repetition is not annoying. Repetition is how memory works. Every time someone sees your consistent look, feels your emotion, and hears your human voice, the memory gets stronger, like a song you cannot get out of your head. That is not an accident. That is a brand working perfectly. So here is your 1-sentence takeaway. Unforgettable brands own a feeling, look consistent, sound human, and repeat their message until the world cannot forget them. Like the video and subscribe to Easy Marketing School for more free marketing lessons. Next time, we are answering a question that trips up almost every small business owner. How do you find your exact target audience without wasting a single dollar? You will not want to miss it.